Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Honda HR-V front bumper. First, ensure you have the right tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Begin by identifying all the visible fasteners along the top edge of the bumper and underneath the vehicle. Carefully remove these to prepare for the next steps. Now, let's get into the specifics. Use your trim removal tool to carefully pry out the plastic clips located on the top and bottom sections of the bumper. Next, unscrew any 10 mm bolts or Phillips head screws you find. Once those are out, gently pull back the fender liner in each wheel well to expose additional hidden clips that secure the bumper. With all the fasteners and clips released, you can now carefully detach the bumper. Begin at one corner, gently pulling the bumper away from the fender. You'll hear some popping sounds as the last clips release. Remember to disconnect any electrical connectors for fog lights or sensors before fully removing it. Have a soft blanket or mat ready to place the bumper on to avoid scratches. Reinstalling your Honda HR-V front bumper is essentially the reverse process. Make sure all clips align correctly and all bolts are securely fastened. Double-check that all electrical connections are reattached before pushing the bumper fully into place. Take your time to ensure a snug fit. Also, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial outlook, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.